Happy Meal's healthy enough? So, as most of you know, a lot of people like to go eat at McDonald's, and especially a lot of kids like to order Happy Meals. So, there's a big question about these Happy Meals, and the question is, are they healthy enough? What do you think? Are they healthy enough? All right. So the before reading poll says McDonald's says it wants kids to eat more nutritious foods. So it has added apples to its Happy Meals and made the portion of fries smaller. What do you think? McDonald's changes are not enough to encourage kids to eat healthier? Do you disagree? Do you agree or you disagree? So it's saying that pretty much by adding apples to the Happy Meal and by removing the number of fries to the Happy Meal, that makes the Happy Meal healthier for kids. So the poll says McDonald's changes are not enough to encourage kids to eat healthy. So that's saying that even though you made changes, McDonald's, those Happy Meals are still not that healthy. Do you agree or disagree? And at the bottom, please explain why. Okay, we're going to go over vocabulary words for this lesson. The first one is antioxidant, something that helps the body, cells, and tissues stay healthy. And these are just the sources of antioxidants. So it's a lot of food that we can eat that's going to help us stay healthy. Then we have consumer. And a consumer is a person who buys or uses a product or service. So, for example, if you go buy something at McDonald's, you're being the consumer because you're purchasing from McDonald's. Corporation is a large company, like McDonald's. It's a large corporation. Okay, then we have critic, someone who criticizes or points out problems with something or someone. For example, there's a lot of critics that go to restaurants and point out problems that the food has. Like if you watch Ratatouille, the movie Ratatouille, there's a critique that goes to the restaurant to taste the food that they serve at that particular restaurant where the rat cooks. I don't know the name of the Ratatouille. All right, so effective. Having the desired effect. Something that is effective works well. Fiber. Something that helps the body. It is found in fruits, vegetables, and grains. Apples have a lot of fiber. Pesticide. Something used to kill bugs. Portion. Place, stop, and amount of food or one for one person at one meal, one helping. So for example, people that are in a diet have to watch their portions and what they eat in order to stay healthy. Okay, after you review the vocabulary with me, now you can go ahead and read the article. Please read it at least 2 times to enhance your comprehension. After you read your article, you may begin on your activity. Okay? When you are done with your Achieve article, please post your grade on the comments under the Google Classroom assignment. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Okay, so after your activity, please do not forget to complete the after reading poll and the thought question. Remember that you need to finish all of the 5 steps. Okay, so now let's say that you are done with your activity, right? So you're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to click on Home. No, I'm on Home. All right. So if you see right here, here's your assignment, right? And you can see that it says for Ms. Rojas's homeroom only. So after you're done with the activity, with your Achieve activity, you're gonna come down to this assignment. You're gonna click on add comment. And you're gonna put your grade. You're gonna type your grade in. So if you got an 88, you're just gonna put 88 and you're going to send it in. Okay, so that will let me know who's already done with their achieve and what grade they got. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, about anything that comes along, you can always text me at this number or you can add a comment on my assignments. All right.